Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to upload digital prints on Etsy, and it's pretty simple actually. So first of all, let's make some digital prints, so like a poster. I'm gonna create some design. Maybe let's choose this one. And now you need to create some type of wall art. So let's search for flowers. And for some graphics, or maybe let's also go to Creative Fabrica. Let's download something, because actually you cannot resell these Canva images, because of course you cannot resell this single one, but I would suggest just to buy from Creative Fabrica or just sign up and you will get a subscription for like $60 a month per year, and you will get all of these. So let's search maybe for this one. As you can see, it's full POD usage allowed. And let's make some poster. So while it's uploading, I'm just gonna go to elements and make some border. To make a beautiful poster, maybe write something down. Let's make some border. All right, and now our flowers are uploading, but let's make some art. Let's make some art quickly. So now I just made a simple poster, and let's change the background maybe and download it. I will add some text also. Just for the sake of this video. Something like that. Let's download it now. As if you will want to sell a digital print, and so the person could print it, of course you need to choose PDF print. And if you have a Canva Pro, for this video I didn't log into my Canva Pro, but you want to choose this one, best for professional printing. And now I'm gonna choose just this one, and I'm gonna download it. And now you go to your Etsy shop and you add a listing. And then you choose digital file, who made it, what is it, and when did you make it. Let's choose this one, continue. Now you will write a title of yours. So you just basically write down blue flowers wall art poster, floral digital print, and so on. This is just depends on your product, what you're selling. Now you want to add some listing photos. So for the listing photos you would need at least 2000 pixel size. So I make something like this, 2700 and 2025 size of a listing photos, and I just make really beautiful listing photos and all the information on the photos, because now Etsy has updated their item description place, and your customers probably will never read the description. So we're just gonna now upload the file. So here are some digital files. You need to upload a file, so it has to be PDF or zip file. So for today's video, we just downloaded PDF, and I'm just gonna upload it here. And now the file is uploaded, as you can see. And when the customer will buy your product, they will just download it, and that's it. So of course you write a description. You want to see other people, other sellers, what they are writing here, and you want to make something similar. Of course, look at the best-selling ones. We don't need a personalization today. So the price, you add the price, the quantity. I always make 999 because it won't resell it, but you don't want to make it just a one, because when it will end, your product will be like expired and so on. So if you will sell a lot, so I just make 999. Variations not available for digital products. You want to choose category, of course, digital print, primary color. You don't need to write this, but if you are making a wall art poster, let's see what's the size of this. 2028. In inches, vertical, and you want to add tags. So I suggest to add 13 tags, all of them, because you need to use them. So blue flowers poster, something like that. You of course want to do a research. And so on, and you want to write all of 13 tags, and yeah, that's basically it. You do a no returns and exchanges for digital products. You choose your shop section. You make a renewal option automatic or manual as you wish. It will expire after 4 months. So if you want to do it manually, just leave it manually, and you just basically click on publish. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how you upload digital prints on Etsy. Don't forget to make some beautiful listing photos and do your research for the keywords or the title, description, and tags. Yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.